Pippa goes apple picking. Pippa goes apple picking. It is a lovely sunny morning. Mommy and Daddy Pig have a surprise for Pippa and George. Today is a perfect day for apple picking, says Daddy Pig. We'll use the apple to make a pie for Granny Pig and Grandma Pig, says Mommy Pig. Hooray! Pippa and George cheer. They love apples and they especially love pie. Pippa and her family arrive at the orchard, but the apples are very high up in the trees. How will we reach them? Asks Peppa. Ha ha ha, says Daddy Pig. Have a trick for picking those apples. Oh, count of 3, shake the tree, says Daddy Pig. Pippa and her family hold on to the tree trunk. 1, 2, 3. They shout, shake, 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 shake. The apples come falling down. Soon Pippa's George's basket are full. Hooray, cheers Pippa and George. Daddy Pig, your trick is worked. I am a bit of an expert at apple picking, says Daddy Pig. Do we have enough apples now for Granny and Grandpa's special pie? Asks Peppa. Almost, says Daddy Pig. We just need a few more from the trees at the very top of the hill. Those apples are the juiciest. Are you sure, Daddy Pig? Asks Mommy. I think we have plenty of apples now, but Daddy Pig is sure. He leads them up the hill. Pippa and her family shake the tree, but the apples don't fall off. Says Daddy Pig. Maybe if we shake it a bit harder. Shake, shake, shake. The apples still don't fall off. What do we do now? Asks Peppa. There's only one way to reach those apples, says Daddy Pig. And that's to climb. Do be careful, Daddy Pig, says Mommy Pig. Daddy Pig climbs to the very top of the tree. He climbs out onto the farthest branch to get the juiciest looking apple. Daddy Pig almost reaches the apples when, whoo! The branch bends and Daddy Pig falls. Splash! Oh dear, Daddy Pig has fallen into a big muddy puddle and splashes everyone with the mud. Are you okay, Daddy Pig? Asks Peppa. Yes, shouts Daddy Pig, and I reached the juiciest apple. Back at home, Mommy Pig takes all the apples to the kitchen. It's time to make the pie. Oh, goody, says Peppa. Says George. First, Mommy Pig makes the pie crust. Then they make the apple pie filling. Pippa and George help with the stirring. They use sugar, egg, cinnamon, and the most important ingredients of all, the apple, shout Pippa and George. Soon the apple pie is pressed out of the oven. Says Daddy Pig. It smells yummy. Can we eat it? Not yet, says Mommy Pig. We have to bring it to Granny and Grandpa's first. Pippa and her family drive to Granny and Grandpa Pig's house. Hello, my little one, says Granny Pig. What's all this? Surprise, cries Peppa. We made you an apple pie. It's delicious, says Granny. How did you make it so yummy? Daddy picked the apples from the very top of the tree, says Peppa, and got us all muddy. But it was worth it, snorted Daddy Pig. Hee hee hee. What a fun day of apple picking it has been. Thanks for watching, kids. Subscribe for more.